Throw Burrito is a hilarious party game for up to 6 players. To start, shuffle the cards and deal about 15 to each player. Split the remaining cards into 2 stacks and put them in the middle of the table, along with the burritos and special tokens. To begin playing, draw 5 cards from the top of your personal stack. When everyone's ready, yell 3, 2, 1, burrito! All players take their turn at the same time. If you have 3 of a kind, play them face up on the table and draw 3 new cards to refill your hand. Draw from the community stacks if you run out. If you don't have 3 of a kind, discard a card to your left-hand neighbor's draw pile and take a new one from your own. If you have a set of 3 special cards, like Burrito Brawl, Burrito Duel, or Burrito War, you get to make the other players engage in burrito hurling combat. Players score points for combos played and lose points for accumulating Burrito Brews tokens in battle. The game ends when a player takes the last Burrito Brews token.